Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be creating this eye look right here. I'll go into a detailed tutorial on how to create a full cut crease. To start with, I put a tape because I wanted a sharp effect. I just placed that tape there depending on how you want it. Do you want it cut? Do you want it extended? So this is the shape I want, and I placed the tape there. I did my brows off camera, and as you can see, like, I wanted a very natural brow. I wanted the look to be glam. At the same time, I wanted the look to look simple, as you can see from the beginning of the video. So we'll only be doing the eye, and I'm not certain I completed the eye look, but just follow along as we cut the crease together. I started off by using the Zodiac palette. This is the biggest makeup palette you have now. Like, even the James Charles palette is not as big as this. It has so many colors, and I really wanted to use colors I haven't been using before. That's a new thing I'm doing for 2023, guys. So just start by blending in a transition color, a color that is similar, that will make all the other colors blend into each other. Secondly, I'm going into this pink, the light pink, and I'm blending it under the brown transitional color I used before. I'm using a small fluffy brush because I want this to be in place. Going back with the same brush I had used to apply my transitional color, I just blend everything out, and I use a darker color just below the transitional color as well. Now I'm going in to darken my outer corner to just create a really darker effect, because like, I want the cut crease to not really look like a cut crease, if that's making sense. And I'm going in with this brush from BH Cosmetics to just further darken where I want to create my cut crease. Just do well to blend and just make sure that you don't spread the dark color right up, like spreading it in. So I've been seeing this trick about cutting the crease. I'm going to try it. So you put the concealer here, like that, and then you look up. It doesn't work for everybody. I'm supposed to look up. Let me see. I'm supposed to look up. Let it touch here. So basically what it does is I'm supposed to look up. Where it touches is where I cut the crease, but it's not just working for me. I went ahead to cut the crease as I'll normally do. Unfortunately, my camera was not recording. I'm so sorry for that. Using the beauty blender, I'm blending it to give it a nice and smooth consistency. I think this cut crease is too high up here, so I'm going to bring it down like this. So that is how you can play around with your cut crease. If you feel like that's something you can correct, you should correct. If you're not happy with it, because that's what the concealer is there for. And sorry, I'm sitting sideways. I hope you still get the gist of this tutorial. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and since I didn't record this side, I tried to record this other side, but unfortunately I was sitting downward. But just take your time with your brush, your favorite concealer brush, and just outline exactly where you want your cut crease to be. Always put in mind that it should look similar, because there are different shapes, there are different sizes of cut creases, so make it to look similar with the other side, the eye you did first, and if something is not working, try to make it well. You can correct it with your concealer, you can go back with your eyeshadow, or just start over if you're not happy with it, if you're not happy with the outcome. It's very important for you to be satisfied and feel confident in what you're doing. Is it for a client? Is it for yourself? Are you doing it for a photo shoot or for a wedding? For whatsoever reason, do something that you'll be very happy with. So I'm going back with that dark purple color from the same palette. I created this look using just the Zodiac palette, the exotic palette, sorry. So I'm putting that in my outer V. I'm just slightly above the cut crease, and I'm going to go all matte today. So I wanted like a subtle glam look. I wanted something that would be quiet, as you could see from the beginning of the video. I wanted something that was quiet, but at the same time a little bit complicated, not 100% simple but complicated. So going in with that purple color, I'm just kind of like using the angled brush. I love this angled brush, and I'm patting that So I'm applying some more concealer because it's a matte eyeshadow and I want it to pop. I'll be going in next with the pink color, so I want it to pop. That's the reason why I'm reapplying this concealer. You can always do that when you're using matte eyeshadow. If it was like a shimmer or glitter, I wouldn't have even bothered. Like I'm just tapping that using a flat brush. The brush is not, it's a little bit dense. It's not completely flat. So I'm tapping that in because it's matte eyeshadow. I'm going over a number of times because I want the pink color to kind of like show, if you know what I'm talking about. I want it to be visible. Yeah, so yeah, just go over that a number of times depending on how much you want it to show. If you don't want it to really show, like, you don't have to do this step, you can skip this step. And I had a little bit of concealer there. What you could do is just go over with your eyeshadow brush, and that will solve the problem instead of using your finger like I did to like try to dab it. So guys, go over it a number of times, go over it a number of times. Oh, see my baby right there. That's my baby girl. That's my second daughter. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just going over that eyeshadow to make sure that I have the same consistency on both sides. Sparkle was really distracting me. Yeah, I'm using the makeup. I was talking with her. So I'm just going over it, tapping it because I want it to look almost like exactly as the other eye. Like I want it to look the same. Yeah, the same. So that's it. My mirror was the other side, guys. I hope you can pardon me. And this hair is a natural jet. This hair lasted me so long. I need to do it again. It lasted me so long. So meanwhile, what are your goals, aspirations? What are the things you want to achieve in 2023? We are in the new year, and you know the way we used to do new year resolutions and we end up not fulfilling them. This time around, I told myself that I wasn't just going to like make new year resolutions. I was actually going to just walk towards them, just have them in mind and walk towards them. And this is one of my new year goals is to take my makeup serious, take my YouTube channel serious. So I'm investing a lot of time to do these videos, edit them, and post them and just try to be consistent. So far I want to be posting 2 long contents each week and at least 5 shots each week. I hope that will get me to my goals, as in growing my channel, getting more subscribers, getting more engagement on my page. So basically this is it about the look. I'm just going to apply my eyelash and that's it. I didn't show the rest of the video, but basically this is how you can do to achieve a full cut crease. I'm going to take that tip up. Can you see that? I love it. I love it. Guys, I love it so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. I hope you do subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Bye. No, wait. Here's a completed look. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it a yeah or a no? I pray that you have a blessed year and a blessed day and a blessed week. Amen. Bye.